Hello everyone, I just wanted to show you a quick way of how to do the vignetting effect on your picture. First of all, just unlock the layer or make a duplicate of it, and then make a new layer above this one. Then select the gradient tool and go to the box above, open it out and select the last neutral density icon. Double click on the box again. Be sure that the slider goes from black to transparent and it's called neutral density. Then hit OK. Now be sure to decrease the opacity to your liking. Check if the reverse box is checked. And also make sure that the second icon, the radial draw, is selected. Now click on a central point on your canvas and simply drag it out. This will create a darker effect on the borders of your picture. You can play around with it, increase the opacity, try to add different layers, select different blending modes. Play around with it and see what works best for your picture. I hope this quick tip helped you, and if it did, leave a like. If you know any other quick way to do the vignetting effect in Photoshop, leave a comment.